Hello Snehgidi, welcome to our YouTube channel Tirupati Annie or Abhi. In today's upload, we are going to see story number 3 of Tenali Raman. The story name is The Honest One. Once a heated discussion was going on in King Krishnadeva Raya's court. The Rajguru claimed, Your Majesty, if compared to the rich, the poor people are more dishonest. It's not that they are dishonest by nature, they are dishonest due to the poverty conditions that they have to live in. But Tenali Raman disagreed. To prove his point, he asked the king to give him 2 bags full of money and a week's time. The king agreed. Tenali Raman knew that every morning a rich merchant used to pass on a path by the river Narmada. He used to go there for a dip in the river. On the same path, a poor man used to pass by every day as he used to go to look for work. Tenali Raman dropped the 2 bags on that path a little far from each other. He went and told this to the king, and both of them waited for the bags to be returned. The next morning, the rich merchant found that the first bag full of gold coins. He picked it up and thought, Oh, what luck! Goddess Lakshmi has blessed me today. He went back home and hid the gold coins. A while later, the poor man came down the path and saw the second bag lying there. He opened it and found gold coins in it. He thought, Oh, so much wealth! I wonder who owns this bag? He must be so worried at the loss of it. I must give it to the royal treasurer. So the poor man went to the royal treasury and deposited the bag of gold coins. He took a receipt from the treasurer. After a week, Tenali Raman went to the king and said, Your Majesty, only one of the bags of gold coins has been received. It was the poor man who deposited it. The poor man and the merchant were summoned in the royal court. The king asked the merchant, Where is the bag of gold coins you found in the path? Your Majesty, said the merchant, I invested that money in my business, but I suffered a great loss. Why did you take the bag which did not belong to you? Asked the king. Your Majesty, I took that wealth as a blessing from the goddess Lakshmi. Then the king asked the poor man, Why did you deposit the money in the royal treasury? You are poor and could have utilized it well. Yes, Your Majesty, that's true, but my conscience did not allow me to keep what is not mine. I thought maybe it belonged to someone who was more in need of it than I was. I did not want to commit a sin by taking what was not mine. Hearing this, Tenali Raman said, Your Majesty, did not I tell you that a poor man is more honest than a rich man? The king and the courtiers agreed with Tenali Raman, and the Rajguru just hung his head in disappointment. Hope children you enjoyed the story. Do subscribe my channel if you like it and also press the bell button nearby. Thank you.